अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों। आज हम एक इंटरेस्टिंग कहानी पढ़ेंगे जिसका नाम है अ हंटिंग एडवेंचर, जो कि खिज़र उमर के हाथों लिखी गई है। इस कहानी को पढ़ने से आपका ये फ़ायदा होगा कि आपकी जो इंग्लिश की वोकेबलरी है वो बल्ड एंड इम्प्रूव होगी। साथ ही साथ आपके टेंसेस भी रिपीट होंगे। तो चलिए दोस्तों, स्टार्ट करते हैं। टॉम एंड जॉन वेंट आउट हंटिंग। Tom was a nerd. Nerd means unsocial या फिर foolish कह दें, and did not want to go hunting. While जबकि John liked this kind of outdoor activity, Tom was scared and was constantly saying that they should go back. But John insisted, so Tom stayed. When they finished setting up their camp, they saw a bear rushing towards them. Tom panicked. Panicked means दहशत में आ जाना. And started to run and did not realize they had their hunting spears. Hunting spears means शिकार करने वाले weapons जो कि शिकार करने में काम आते हैं. And he could have used it. John stayed and fought the bear and managed to hit it. Tom ran too far and was lost. The forest was all green and covered with thick trees. So to look for phrasal verb है जिसका मतलब है to सर्च करना. Tom was like finding a needle in a haystack. Needle means सुई को कहते हैं, and haystack सूखे हुए घास को कहते हैं. After packing some weapons and supplies, John set out to locate Tom. He shouted. Shout का सेकंड फॉर्म है जिसका मतलब है आवाज़ लगाना. As hard as he could, but there was no reply. It was getting dark. अंधेरा हो रहा था. So John set a camp in a clear spot and spent the rest of the night there. मतलब बची हुई रात थी जो. Early the next morning, he again went to look for Tom, but still had no luck finding him until the late afternoon when he heard a low scream. Scream जब हम किसी दर्द में आवाज़ निकालते हैं तो उसे scream कहते हैं. He quickly ran towards it. When he got closer to the sound, he soon found Tom. Tom was stuck in a cave. Stick का सेकंड फॉर्म है जिसका मतलब है कि किसी चीज़ पे फंस जाना. और केव का तो आपको पता है कि गार को कहते हैं. Bleeding, he helped Tom out of it and quickly bandaged him. He asked Tom what happened. अब टॉम बताएगा कि उसके साथ क्या हुआ था. When I was running, I got so scared that I did not realize how far I was going. And by the time I realized it, it was too late as I was stuck in a hole after tripping over a branch. Tripping over a branch means किसी जड़ी बूटी के ऊपर से क्रॉस करना, रन करना. There are some people here for deforestation, and this hole was for animals. They know that I am here, but they are not letting me out as they feel I will tell the government about their illegal activity. They are right down this valley. John looked down the valley and saw a fort, and behind it was a really big area from which trees had been cut. Trees had been cut, पैसिव का यूज़ हुआ है जहाँ पे जो दरख्त थे वो काटे जाते थे. While जबकि they were talking, a group of while they were talking, जब वो बात कर रहे थे, a group of those people saw them and took them into custody. Custody means कब्जे में लेना. They took the boys to the camp where there were many animals in cages, including 2 lions and a giraffe. They were taken to the leader named Thomas. They were taken भी दोस्तों पैसिव का यूज है. थॉमस वॉर वियर का सेकंड फॉर्म है जिसका मतलब है पहनना, कोई चीज़ पहनना, जैसे शर्ट वगैरह या फिर क्लॉथ पहनते हैं. अ ग्रीन शर्ट एंड ब्लैक पैंट्स विथ अ साइड आर्म स्टर. ही हैड अ स्कैरी फेस. स्कैरी फेस मीन्स डरपोक चेहरा. एंड वन ऑफ हिज हैंड्स वाज बर्न्ड. He sat on his chair and asked John and Tom about what they were doing and threatened them. Tom was scared but tried to answer calmly. Later, the 2 boys were taken to a jail, guarded by 2 armed men. There were 5 other people: Ben, Matt, Charlie, James, Olsen, and 1 girl, Lena, held captive like Tom and John. Ben was shy and wore shorts and a t-shirt, and the same with Matt, but he was not shy. Charlie was wounded by a snake. Snake के हाथों पैसे वे जख्मी किया गया था, but was brave, बहादुर था. James was the big brother of Lena, who was a strong woman. They told the boys that there was a way to sneak out. Sneak out means कहीं से भागना, चोरी छिपे, of that place, but it was dangerous. John volunteered means रजाकारी से, खुशी से, to take the risk. So he crept out at night and checked the surroundings area, looking for the right direction to escape to. Escape to means भाग जाना. He returned before morning and assured everyone that they would go out at night. They spent the rest of the day planning, and at night they sneaked out. While going, a snake bit Tom, and he screamed, which alarmed the soldiers. They all started to run, and Tom was helped by John, who carried him on the back. There was a little chase by the guards, but thankfully no one got hurt, and they reached their camp safely. From there, John called the police, and soon the people chopping the trees got arrested.